Grand in features, space and style. This 4 to 5 bedroom home located in Woodland Estates has space for everyone, views of the golf course and woods. The main level of the home has an open floor plan with beautiful kitchen that has upper end finishes as well as appliances, large breakfast area with walkout to the deck area, living room with gas fireplace, and just off the living room is a formal dining room that you will love to entertain in. Also, off the kitchen is a mud room, large laundry with wall of cabinetry, and a family room that also has great views of the golf course. The main level also features the master bedroom suite with walkout to the deck area, bath with tiled shower and walk-in closet. You will also find 2 other large bedrooms and 1 full bath. The lower level is finished with an office area, game room with wet bar, and closet for storing games.